What a run here on PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., pushing back up towards $90. And it wasn't the only stock pushing up today. You also had the SPY here pushing up to newer highs and retesting key resistance levels. And in the middle of the day, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator here at 12:20 p.m. It hasn't even been canceled, and you could see that transition and strength there on 42 vision up towards the 564 level. And call options went up over 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to our Discord, getting connected over to our indicators and joining the members, using our resources to maximize in either direction and learn charts along the way and receive the clarity and edge within the volatility. Once again, that link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comments. So here we are with PLTR stock pushing up higher. And if we look at the 15-minute in the bigger picture, we could see a bull indicator that popped up there after the bell. It's lasted all day. It hasn't even gotten canceled. And we've had a push from $85 so far back up to $90. And based off the history of the chart, this is a crucial resistance level as we're approaching it and fighting to stay above it here into the close. Now we're going to break down the key levels we would watch here going into Monday. But we can also see when you go ahead and zoom out even further, we're hitting bright green bars here and transitioning from red bars back up and under a bull indicator as well. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, under a bull indicator on the 30 minutes since $86. And when you pull out towards the 1 hour, it's been under a bull indicator since Wednesday at $85. And every single time it came below it, it quickly used that level as support and bounced back up. And the resistance here was 87 and up back up towards 89, the $90 area. And here it is breaking out to $91 into the close. And based off the history of the chart, we're getting really close to that resistance of $91.30. And then above that comes the $93, $94 area, which was rejected twice before falling down towards 78, and the lowest levels that we've seen here in the last several days and weeks at $72. And we're quickly coming back up. It's also under a bull indicator on the 4 hour, right? Going ahead and canceling that bear indicator from way up here at 123. For the first time, a bull indicator has popped up at $82. And then you have the 1 day still under a bear indicator. And this is where it becomes crucial and significant to not ignore, because any push back up to the upside is not justifiable for as long as this bear indicator holds. So we want to see a bull indicator pop up in this process, and I will be watching that closely here based off the bigger picture of the charts. But so far, the 4 hour and the 2 hour have bull indicators on multiple time frames, and we want to see that roll over as resistance levels are being tested. And it's just pushing up even further, trying to push away from $91 here in the after hours. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys. The first support, if it gets broken through, that is crucial, is $89. If that gets broken through, the next level I'll be watching is down towards $87. And we're going to see that here with the inflow versus outflows, why these levels are crucial. As we can see here on PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., these inflows started to grow today, right? We were in a tight range here from the inflows on Wednesday at the $83 area. And every time it came up to the resistance area of outflows that started to dominate back on March 6th at around $90, it would actually reject. And today it broke through it And the tipping point here is 91.31. That's that historical resistance, right, that we were looking at. It's going to be crucial to break through that. And if it can, the next outflow resistance level is up here at around the $93, $94 area, which will be crucial as well as we're pushing up here and trying to test these levels. But strong inflows here back on Wednesday and today off the 30-minute, which accounted for a total of almost 2 million to 3 million in inflows. And here on the 15-minute, we could see it as well, right? Those inflows back on Wednesday, 1.2 million, and then today, 900K based off the 15-minute. And we are seeing here inflows dominating and coming to retest the resistance level up here of 3 million outflows, dominating back at around $94. So this is why the supports down here below 87, 85, and 83 are crucial. And to the upside, we want to break through 92, head towards 94, and if that gets broken through, we can reassess at those higher levels. And this is where 42 Vision allows us to see clearly with the bull and bear indicators, the strength of trend, and the inflow versus outflows, the supports and resistance and their strength, and why we're moving in a certain direction and why we slow down at certain resistance levels because of the amount of dominance that outflow has, and when it's pushing, the amount of dominance that those inflows have, right? Or why we continue to stay above a certain level because those inflows are dominating. You could see the difference there when the outflows are less than the inflows, and same thing here at today's levels. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and learn charts along the way and get equipped with our 42 Vision indicators, our bots, and our inflow versus outflow, and join the members using it, check out the link down below. Once again, the link is down below in the description in the top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us and getting you equipped with the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.